Hi, beautiful people. This is King in the Library, and this is just going to be about how to find your search engines when it's time for you to do research. We have these three main ones, or really these two main ones. You can get to them in both ways. If you don't feel like hearing me go blah, 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 you go onto the QR code and it will take you to the step-by-step with screenshots. But here we go with me, blah, 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 blah. So you're going to go ahead and log into, we're going to do this one first, lms.lausd.net. You may have heard of it. It will take you straight to Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, you're going to go to the 4 squares. You've done it before, I'm sure. And you're going to go to Clever Portal. This is my favorite, I'm not going to lie. Before you actually get to that, you may want to ask your teacher about the research question. They may have assigned it to you. You may have been asked to create a research question, but you're going to need that up front. You will get into Clever here, and Clever Portal. Here, and you will go ahead and choose my favorite. Again, my favorite, it's already started up here, but I put the heart because I personally prefer ProQuest Central Students. Remember the research question I asked you about? This is where you would put various iterations of it. That's just for this search engine. Now, if you want another search engine, we have destiny.lausd.net. You're going to go ahead and go into that and sign in over here. You would go here if you're a student, faculty and staff over here, and boomada, boomada, boomada. I have to make sure I'm at the right school. So I have to go here because some schools just don't want to let a sister go. So I'm going to go over here to to Los Angeles High School, or it could be to whatever school in which you're enrolled. And you will start again at the digital library. And honestly, paid subscriptions, and you get the same choices, but in list form as opposed to pictures. Same thing. We're going to go step by step, little by little. Beautiful people, thank you for your time and attention. This is Ms. King in the Library.